carbon fiber decoration makes the interior more fashionable. The multimedia system is easier to operate, making driving more convenient. Dear car owners, hello! Today I would like to introduce to you our central control multimedia system and carbon fiber decoration. First, our central control multimedia. The system uses the latest intelligent technology. The operation is simpler and more convenient, making your driving more convenient. At the same time, we also pay attention to the air quality in the car, featuring high-quality carbon fiber trim. Make your car environment more comfortable. In addition to these, we are also working on multimedia. Many practical functions have been added to the system, such as navigation, Bluetooth, reversing images, etc. Make your driving safer and more comfortable. Finally, we would like to say, our central multimedia system and carbon fiber decorations are all designed to make your driving more comfortable, convenient, safe, and designed. Thank you for your support and trust. We will continue to provide you with better products and services.